Sausage Food Fair.
Wow! One hot sausage, please.
This is so yummy. Wow, this is truly a sausage paradise. So many choices. Which one should I pick?
Witamy w Polsce.
你好.
Welcome to America!
Over here, right here, boy! American sausages are the best in the world!
No, try my Chinese sausages. They're the real best.
Dream on, my polished sausages are the best of the best.
Why don't we compete to see which one is the most delicious?
Okay.
That's
right.
Welcome to America!
Sausage stuffers and makers. Collagen casings.
Now I'm gonna make hot dog sausage! First, I'm gonna make ground meat from these pork blocks. Then I pour it into the sausage maker. I'll use a collagen casing to stuff the sausage inside. Yeah, the machine is pressing ground meat into the collagen casing. That's the perfect length! My standard American sausage is done! No one's beating this!
Smells so good! Wow!
Wait, that sausage looks kind of weird.
Oh no, this casing just burst!
The American sausage just failed.
Let me show you Chinese sausages!
欢迎来到中国。
I'll make Chinese-style cocktail sausages.
Sausage filling.
First, I'll knead the filling until it's nice and smooth. All right, into the grinder it goes. Now, this is what you call a real sausage. One more step before it becomes cocktail sausages. I'll tie it into small sections. Let's bring it out. Chinese cocktail sausages here. Come get some.
Ugh, I'm so stuffed.
Not fair. Why is mine so tiny? That's nothing. Just wait and see my premium polished sausages.
Witamy w Polsce.
I'm gonna make the best kielbasa from these beef chunks. Kielbasa sausage is ready.
Wow!
Please enjoy, everyone.
Wow, so great!
Delicious.
No more waiting. Let's eat, guys.
Now we all know the result already.
How to build the sausage maker. Number 1. Build the press unit. First, I'll build the pressing core. Pusher plate. Attach it to the front panel. Now I'll assemble the casing. Number 2. Build the hopper and extruder. Add the feeding hopper, testing with dough. I've made a bunch of cute shaped dough using this mold. Great! The dough is coming out in a strip.
It's too late. We're heading home, buddy.
Thanks for the party, Alex.
You're welcome. Oh crap, there are so many dirty dishes. When will I ever finish washing all these?
Don't worry, our Quick Wash 3000 dishwasher will help you out. This dishwasher has a spacious design with modern tech to fit every dish. It uses high-temperature bottom-up jets to clean fast and spotless.
Please bring your machine here right away.
How to build the dishwasher. Number 1. Build the side walls. These ledges on the wall are designed to hold the dish trays in place. So, the left wall and right wall are done. Number 2. Build the back wall. Now, I'll build the detergent dispenser tray. Number 3. Build the top cover. The roof. Now I'll add the control buttons to the machine. Number 4. Build the front door. These holes are for inserting 2 pipes that connect water supply to spray arms inside. And this one is for inserting the drain pipe. Wow! Water is evenly sprayed from these 2 spray arms onto the dishes for cleaning. Number 5. Build the dish racks. Lego mesh. I'll need 2 dish racks. Testing. Connect to the water pump. Water will be sprayed from the spray arms onto the dishes and the trays to wash away the dirt. That will then flow out with the water through the drain hole.
Your order is here.
Wow, it's so fast.
Ho!
This dishwasher is so huge. Let's load all the dirty pots, pans, plates, and dishes inside it. I've got to pour in a lot of dish soap for this to work. Yeah, let's start washing. Quick Wash 3000. Wow, those water jets are really powerful. How gross. Didn't think my dishes were this dirty. Awesome. Everything is all clean. Now I just need to let it dry the dishes. Then we're done. Great. The cycle is done.
Whoa!
These dishes look even cleaner than when I first bought them. That's it, all done. I should take a break. What the heck is that? Why are there so many dirty clothes? I'll use the dishwasher to wash these clothes. Just wait a bit, and I'll have clean clothes to wear. Oh no, my clothes are ruined.
Good morning, off-road fans. Today, our garage unveils the brand new beasts. With Blue-Hawk, a compact and agile truck for every terrain. And Red Bear, a powerful car built for the toughest challenges. Nothing can hold them back because they both were built to conquer every challenge. Whoa! But we'll put these 2 models through tough tests to see which one proves stronger. Now let's start! Number 1, testing the engine power. Whoa! Both cars will face a tug of war on slippery cooking oil to prove their raw strength. Which one will win?
3, 2, 1, go!
Looks like Blue Hawk is losing ground here. Go, Blue Hawk, go!
Red Bear, you can do it!
Look, Blue Hawk is fighting back. So intense, both cars are fighting for every inch. Red Bear is turning the tables. Red Bear is pulling Blue Hawk across the line.
Knew it! Red Bear is bound to win!
This is the power of Red Bear.
Next, both cars will be tested on their ability to overcome tough terrain. But before that, I'll upgrade this losing car to make it 10 times stronger.
Upgrade my car quickly.
How to build the claw wheel racer. Step 1. Build the car chassis. The motor. The battery box. Build the seating area. Add the seat. Add the steering wheel. Step 2. Build the claw wheels. With this claw-style wheel, the car can hook onto the ground tightly. Step 3. Attach the wheels to the frame. Testing. How to build the grid wheel racer. Step 1. Build the car chassis. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Add the seat. Add the steering wheel. Step 2. Build the grid wheels. This wheel is based on a square grid frame, making it grip better. Step 3. Attach the wheels to the frame. Testing.
Number 2, testing with sticky terrain. In this round, both Red Bear and Blue Hawk must take out a long track, completely covered in slime. It's really super sticky. Let's welcome the comeback of Blue Hawk. Will it survive this?
Unbelievable.
It's so strong.
It's getting close to the edge.
Almost there.
Blue Hawk wins. Now it's Red Bear's turn to show its super strength.
Go ahead, Red Bear.
Come on, Red Bear. Woohoo! Oh no, I'm stuck.
No! Red Bear seems to be having some trouble. We'll take a short break for some quick adjustments.
Guys, fix my car fast.
Now it's the second chance for Red Bear. Red Bear is blasting through the slime.
Red Bear fighting.
Go Red Bear, go.
Red Bear wins. After the rounds, the final result is clear. Red Bear is our today winner.
This unclimbable stairs is such a weirdo. I want to build this staircase on my own.
How to build the moving staircase. Number 1. Build the base frame. This base frame carries all the weight and supports the entire stair structure. Number 2. Build the step assembly. First, I'll build the motor set that drives the stairs movement. The gears. Next, I'll build the frame beam. I'll need 2 frame beams. These beams will form the base structure of the 2 stairs. Then, add 2 side beams. Now, I will finish the surface for the stairs. For the stairs treads, I'll use these Lego pieces. Number 3. Connect step assembly to base frame. The motor. Testing. GBC ball. The ball smoothly climbs up the stairs, changing direction at each step.
Let's try this unclimbable stairs. It's so fun.
Whoa!
What a hard challenge. I can play with this stairs all day.